Drone on the ground, left rocker down, left rocker up, left and right rocker down, invert by 45 degrees, press and hold L2, drone takes off. This is the first controlled flight. Earlier, I would take off and after that I would be running behind the drone to catch it. Or I would have someone else to run behind it to catch it. Otherwise, it would crash. Manual provided by the tosostore.com or any other material which you find on the internet did not give instructions on how to use the controller. The controller basically has the left rocker and the right rocker, which is very important to understand. Left rocker operates vertically while the right rocker operates horizontally. And this could be used as a thumb rule. And this works for all the drones except exceptions. Most people panic their first flight as they don't know how to use the rockers of their controller. They use both controllers and are clueless about the track of the drone and are unable to control it. Simplest way to control your flight would be to use the left rocker first. Using the left rocker, you could adjust the height, and after that, use the right rocker in order to maneuver or to move. If you use the right rocker upward, it would actually move forward. If you use the rocker downward, it would actually move behind. And if you move the rocker to the left or to the right, it will take the movement to the left or right respectively. Similarly, on the left rocker, it is possible to spin, to have a left spin or a right spin by moving the rocker to the left or right. Left rocker operates vertically while the right rocker operates horizontally. Once you have this in your mind and when your fingers act correspondingly, your flight would be under control and there would never be a situation where you're panicking when it comes to controlling the flight. In case of tosostore.com Q1012 drone, we use the L2 button to start vertically up. In a similar manner, we use the R2 button in order to descend vertically down for a safe landing. And once you press the R2 button and hold on to it, it lands safely. While using the R2 button, your landing is safe, but make sure you don't land in water. Everything else is fine.